Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at Earl Sweatshirt's dreadlocks. Earl Sweatshirt has been having their freeform dreadlocks. He's had these for a really long time. I would say it's probably been a good 4, maybe even 5 years of him locking up his hair. And they're turning out really cool, so we're gonna take a look at them today. But before we get into it, make sure to leave this video a comment down below and comment down who you guys want to see next on the channel. And also comment down below how you started your dreadlocks. Is it freeform? Did you do twisting with gel, or maybe use the sponge rub or anything like that? Comment that down below. Now, Earl Sweatshirt is someone that I used to listen to a long time ago, and I was really into his music and everything like that. And then I just stopped listening to his music, and then out of nowhere I see that he got dreadlocks. So it's really cool to see that he has a really cool looking set of dreadlocks. Now, before we get into detail with looking at his dreads, make sure to give the Dreadlocks Instagram page a follow, guys, and don't forget to tag Dreadlocks on Instagram because you can be featured on the page, the channel, and even the website. Which leads me onto the website. The website is built for everything dreadlocks. You know, if you want to find your products or even tutorials on how to start or maintain your dreadlocks, it's all on that website. But I'll explain that more later on in this video. So Earl Sweatshirt, what is his hair type? Hair type tells you everything you need to know with how they started their dreadlocks and how to maintain that actual hair type with the dreadlocks. So looking at Earl Sweatshirt, we can see that he is most likely a 4B hair type. And what's really interesting, earlier on in his career, we've seen him mostly with a really short hairstyle. He didn't have much of a hairstyle, he just kept it short. And now it's really interesting, like I said earlier on, that he has longer hair with dreadlocks, and it's something that I didn't expect. I don't think anybody expected, but it's really interesting to see that he has these freeform set of locks. Which leads me on to the method with me always saying freeform with his locks. He has been keeping them freeform. And with his hair type, freeforms will turn out a little bit more uniform if you allow them to. And his hair has been turning out freeform. I'm assuming he has been doing some sort of separation to keep the sections, but very low maintenance with his freeform locks. I mean, he could even be doing zero maintenance whatsoever, and his hair just separates naturally just like how you see. But we'll just label the method that he did was freeform, and that's the maintenance as well, just letting his hair do its own thing. Freeform is, like I always explain, is washing your hair and allowing it to do its own thing. And that's why it's called freeform, because you're allowing your hair to freely form on its own based on the curl pattern. Now here's a little pro tip for you guys. The tighter the curl pattern, which is higher on the scale of hair types, which is the 4s, tends to tighten up quicker with the locking process. Now hair that is lower on the hair type scale tends to lock up a little slower. So if you have a straighter hair type, it's gonna lock slower than a tighter curl pattern. So know that, know your hair type and know how long it's gonna take for your hair to lock up. But there's videos on that, and it explains it in the video that's linked down below that says, what is my hair type? So click that link and it'll not only explain your hair type, but the length and the process of getting dreadlocks. But considering that Earl Sweatshirt just allowed his hair to freely form, we'll go ahead and go into just a washing product. And I wanna recommend you guys with the Dr. Bronner's Castile Soap. Now I love this soap, you just gotta know how to use it. I'm telling you, dilute it. Now I really love Dr. Bronner's Castile Soap because it lasts for a really long time, because you have to dilute it with water and it rinses out very well. It doesn't leave any buildup, and it's a pure soap, and you don't have all these extra chemicals and stuff inside of it. So I think it just is an overall great product. And this soap cleans the hair really well so that your hair can lock up as quick as possible. This is something that a lot of people don't want to hear, but you want your hair to be as dry as possible and as clean as possible in order for your hair to lock up. So that already debunks the myth that dreadlocks are dirty, especially freeform locks. I think freeform locks are the most clean dreadlocks you can have because of how clean they have to actually be, because you don't add any products to your hair and you're not doing any maintenance, or your hair is not locking up and locking in all these products like twisting gel or wax or anything like that. All you're doing is washing your hair. So I consider them to be really clean dreadlocks. But guys, Dr. Bronner shampoo is gonna be linked down below, so click on that and go check it out. Even if you don't have freeform locks, to go check out this shampoo and order yourself some, maybe even 2 or 3 or how many ever you think you would need. But if you use this shampoo, it tends to lock your hair up really quick. And like I said, this is my favorite shampoo. But you guys, that is Earl Sweatshirt's dreadlocks. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to comment down below who you guys want to see next on the channel. And like I mentioned earlier on in the video about Dreadlocks.com, make sure to go check that out as well. You can find Dr. Bronner shampoo and many other products that are for your dreadlocks and will help your dreadlocks lock, mature, and really help them overall. Not only are there products on greatlocks.com, but there's tutorials and reviews on how to use these products and just really cool pro tip videos on how to start and maintain your dreadlocks. So make sure to go check out greatlocks.com. And like I also mentioned, don't forget to follow Greatlocks on Instagram and tag us so you can be featured on the page, the channel, and even the website. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.